Hey guys, so been looking for a lot of videos on how to build legs for a sluice box, like a river sluice, how to make a high banker out of one. Wasn't too many good videos out there, so I made a video on how I made mine. Check it out. Okay, so let's start with the legs. This is conduit. These are conduit pieces that are already tapped out with bits in them, so it's now an adjustable leg. Drill some holes with some little conduit hangers. I use 3/4, and then regular old river sluice, but I upgraded the matting. It had this carpet in there before, so we got rid of that carpet. Oh man, this stuff grabs good. And we went with a miner's moss. So now that's been upgraded to a nice miner's moss. I built my own nugget trap, which is fastened on the sides and held in by the leg, so that thing ain't going nowhere. Underneath that we have, well, let's see what we have. And this was just a punch piece of aluminum that my metal shop actually gave me for free. So all I did was I scored it with a zip disc, and then you're going to need yourself some tin benders, and then you just clamp on there and slowly work a little bit one side, a little bend, and go to this side, a little bend, back to this side, a little bend, and work it till you get your 90. There you go, nugget trap. I think it's pretty nice actually. And then, as you can see, I cut off some pieces. Try and find out what size I wanted as I brought it back. I was gonna bring it back before that first riffle, but whatever. Whatever falls through here is gonna get through that first riffle, up and underneath there. Maybe. Or it'll get jammed. One or the other. Didn't really think too much about that. Let's fix that actually. Let's fix that. There we go. Much better overall opening there. Underneath that first drop riffle. Let's see here. There we go. Nice gap underneath there. So the rocks can still make it up and over that first riffle. Then the next thing I did is I cut these little legs out of some C-notched aluminum. And then I had this Mother Lode Prospecting Black Scorpion, which was just a power head right here. And then same thing, flat piece of aluminum. I just notched it with a grinder, bent it, pretty much made it this whole box that the power head slid into. And then I had some extra material, so I made somewhere for the rocks to splash into, feed down. Then it washes down. I found this grizzly somewhere. I don't know what the heck it's from. Something. But it's just a small grizzly. So I'm there like that. And I'm excited to go test this thing out. Yeah, I think it should work all right. And there you got it, guys. If you like that, it gives you some ideas how to make your own high banker. Give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, ring that bell notification. You never know what kind of video I'm going to be making next.